How to replace a leaking heater hose Y connector. Okay, I have a Prestone leak. Now let's see, get some of this stuff out of the way. This Y here in the this is the heater hose, and it's leaking, as you can see. So I'm going to replace that. This is quite easy to do. First thing I need to do, I'm going to drain my radiator. Take that off. Okay, drain the radiator. You just get down here. It's the lower left-hand corner of the radiator, and that's your drain plug right here. Just turn that counterclockwise. Okay, that's funny. Now I can shut that valve off. And we'll just turn that clockwise and tighten it up. Just hand tight. You don't have to crank it too tight. Now I got to cut that Y piece out of there. Now these are permanent hose clamps, and there's no way to get them off there as far as I know. So I just taken this hose cutter. Now you can use anything. You could use your tin snips or whatever, but this works really good. Here and there. And now I'm going to take this clamp down here. I use my vice grips here. Let me see. Okay. There. Pull that up there. There. Comes off quite easily. Now here's the new Ypipe. I got this at Napa. Now it's $30 here in Canada. Down in the States it probably costs you $5. But anyways, comes with 4 hose clamps, length of hose, and your aluminum Ypipe. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my little hose on the bottom of the Y. Well, sometimes that goes on a little tough, but okay, just twist it. And take my hose clamp. Now this is a 5/16 socket. Our Y with our hose on it, and we want to stick a hose clamp up here. That should go on fairly easy. There. Okay, now I want to my hose clamp on there. I'm going to shove that up, and I just want to tighten that up a little bit. Yeah, it gives you something to hold on to while you're trying to shove that on. Just put that in there like that. There, right there. And we'll just snug that up just a little bit. Oops, get this out of my way. Now we get this other hose. And we'll put that on there and shove it back there as far as you can get it. And tighten it up. Now we want to slide that on there. So you can use that clamp as a place to hold. Bring that down over into that Y. Now let's finish tightening this. Okay, now we're going to tighten up this one. Now don't forget to put your hose back on here. This is for your brakes. Okay, let's put the antifreeze back in. Okay, I started it up and I turned the heater on. Okay, everything looks good. I don't see any leaking. Yep, looks good. And I went in and checked the heater, and she's blowing a lot of heat, so that's an indication that the heater core is not airlocked. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.